In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an SSH key in Hostinger. If you're managing a website and need to establish a secure connection between your computer and the server, an SSH key is a reliable solution. It provides an encrypted method of logging into your server, ensuring that your information is protected from unwanted access. Now, let's dive into the process step by step to help you implement this feature effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to access your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main interface where all your websites are listed. This area acts like your command center, offering an overview of all the websites you're managing. Click on Websites to display all the sites you have hosted with Hostinger. From this list, select the specific website you want to configure by clicking on its dashboard. This action takes you to a more detailed view of your chosen site, providing access to all the customizable settings. Now, we move to the next key step. Inside your selected website's dashboard, look for the Advanced section. This area is designed to house various sophisticated tools that facilitate greater control over your hosting experience. Once you've located the Advanced tab, click on it, and from there select SSH Access. This takes you to the section where you can manage all SSH-related preferences. Accessing this part is crucial as it leads to setting up your SSH key, which in turn allows for secure communications with your server. Moving forward, you'll find an option labeled Add SSH Key. Click on it to begin the process of setting up your key. This feature lets you input the details necessary for integrating a public SSH key with your server. Now you'll see input fields where you'll need to provide a name for the SSH key alongside the actual SSH public key itself. Naming your key helps you identify it easily, especially if you manage multiple keys. When it comes to the SSH public key, you can generate one using tools like SSH Keygen if you haven't already done so. After entering both the name and your SSH public key, review the details to ensure accuracy. This is important because any mistakes could lead to issues when connecting to your server. Once you're confident the information is correct, click on Add Record. This completes the process, effectively adding the SSH key to your Hostinger site. And that's it. You've successfully added an SSH key to your Hostinger account, paving the way for secure and encrypted server connections. This setup not only enhances security but also streamlines how you interact with your server by minimizing password inputs and potential security threats. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech-related guidance. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting!